You're listening to the E-Commerce Minute, your daily dose of e-commerce and tech news, presented by Sumo Heavy. Here's your host, Bart Mraz.
This is the E-Commerce Minute for October 13th, 2017. Drones are delivering burgers and sushi in Reykjavik.
Food delivery is surging in Reykjavik thanks to online ordering, but the city landscape makes it difficult to reach all parts of the city. Deliveries can take up to 25 minutes, and that's a lot, especially if you work in an office with a limited amount of time to eat. The solution? Drone logistics startup Flytrex has teamed up with Iceland's main online retailer, AHA, to launch a courier drone service in Reykjavik. Robotic flyers carry food across a river in the city, cutting the delivery time from 25 minutes to 4. Flytrex and AHA are using a hexacopter, a modified DJI Matrice 600 drone, to deliver food or other products across a bay of the North Atlantic Ocean that delivery drivers normally have to skirt around. It works like this. The order comes in, then someone at AHA loads the delivery up on the drone, it flies over the bay, and the delivery person takes it from there. Deliveries that would have normally taken more than half an hour can now be made in a matter of minutes. Flytrex modified the Matrice drone with a cargo compartment, and the drone can carry packages up to 3 kilograms in weight for up to about 6 miles, though it would only need to go about 2 during this initial trial. That's not a lot, but it's perfect for kinds of on-demand goods that AHA deals with, like sushi, hamburgers, or even beer. AHA and Flytrex will start with about 20 or so of these deliveries a day. They hope to expand the partnership with AHA to include actual drone deliveries along multiple routes across Reykjavik by the end of this year. At that point, the drones will deliver straight to people's yards or doorsteps. It won't land like some other companies have proposed with their delivery drone test. Instead, the company says it will lower the deliveries to the ground using a wire.
Ooh, I kind of want that to be to get deliveries on my roof. That'd be awesome.
So I like the wire, like, because we've seen the Amazon things where it's like there's the
just land.
They had the or they drop it. Remember we did a thing on the patent for the package that they could just drop it, and there's like a little landing spot that you have to put out in your yard.
Or the parachutes and the labels.
The parachutes, or it's no one's perfected it yet, but I like the wire.
Yeah, I guess in that's kind of interesting because they have to go across that bay. So there's no real cars or anything like around it. That's kind of cool.
And of course, Iceland is nice, peaceful, country. It's like you just see the drones flying, and it was, oh, look at the drones! They're delivering the beer.
Okay, well, that's it. But here in Manhattan, be kind of it spares the delivery guys walking up 6 flights with stuff. That'd be kind of interesting to just drop it.
Yeah, I mean that's what I'm excited about, to see how this we've been talking about this drone stuff for as long as we've been doing the show, but I'm really excited to see how the practical uses of this. Like this thing in Iceland is great, and it's practical for them. It's practical for them, right? Exactly, because the landscape and just the environment, it's perfect for it. But let's translate that to, you keep bringing up Manhattan, and it's like the perfect example. Like you got a 6th floor walk up, and you want a 6-pack of beer. Is the guy going to dangle it out your window? Do you have to go to the roof? How is that going to happen? How's that going to work?
Yeah. Well, there's plenty of space on my roof to do that, which is fine because I can just go upstairs and pick it up. It's kind of interesting. Yeah, I guess in the apartment buildings, it'd be kind of interesting to do it on the roofs and not do it on sort of door type things.
You broke up there at the end, but yeah. So it's going to be interesting to see what property managers, how new construction is going to be. Are they going to take this into consideration, or are they just going to kind of, widget it back in once, suddenly drone deliveries become a thing? And I think they will become a thing. Probably.
It will. It has to.
Yeah, a lot of logistics to work out. But anyway, this is pretty cool. If you look it up, it's Flytrex. There's a video on YouTube, pretty cool. It shows the drone in action, and you can go check it out. Anything else to add?
Keep on flying.
Keep on flying. All right, that's your e-commerce minute for today. We'll see you on the internet on Monday, and happy Friday the 13th. Ooh, don't get scared. That's it for today. If you like the show, make sure you add us as a favorite and share this with your friends. Please follow us on social media @SumoHeavy. And finally, if you've got a question, comment, or suggestion for the show, call us on Anchor. Until next time, we'll see you on the next e-commerce minute.
The podcast you just heard was recorded with Anchor. If you want to make your own, download the Android or iOS app completely free from anchor.fm/podcast. That's anchor.fm/podcast.